Zach was working on a natural gas rig, and he was struck in the head by some industrial chains that went through his hard hat and through his skull. It pushed his brainstem all the way to the left side of his skull. He lost a lot of blood, and he immediately was unconscious. And when I was speaking to the neurosurgeon, he said that they were fighting hard to keep him alive. They did not think he was going to make it. It was not something I ever thought we would go through. Mike, he handled so many things on this case. After talking to him and Jonathan, I was just so much at ease. I felt really comfortable working with them, and I felt very educated. Mike has so much compassion, and you really feel like he genuinely cares about you and about your case. That is genuine, and he understands what we're going through, and that really shows. And I think that made a huge difference.
It was nice to know all of the details, and they made us comfortable, and they made us like part of their family. It was all very good working with them. I would absolutely refer Jonathan Petty to anyone who asks me.
When a client comes to us, usually they've had one of the worst things, if not the worst thing in their life happen to them. They have a lot of challenges that they have to navigate after an injury to them or one of their family members, whether that's dealing with medical bills collections, whether that's dealing with an insurance company, whether that's finding somebody who can help them modify their home so that they're able to deal with their disability, that type of thing. We work with them in all those facets, try and point them in the right direction, give them advice throughout the process, and really help them get their life back together.
Typically, when we meet our clients, it's during the most vulnerable time of their lives where they have been injured and they're looking for someone to give them a voice. And part of that means finding out exactly what happened to them. Because a lot of times clients come to us and they say, I've been injured, but I don't know exactly what happened. And so we're starting from the beginning of the case, investigating what happened to them, taking it all the way to the end, and telling their story and giving them that voice.
Phelan Petty is different than many personal injury firms because we don't take many cases. We're committed to taking a small number of cases and dedicating all of our efforts to those cases on behalf of our clients. It's important to us that our clients feel like we're on their side, we're protecting them during and after the case whenever they need us. Most of our clients have our cell phone numbers and don't hesitate to use it. And that's just the way we are. And if we had thousands of cases that were being processed by paralegals, we couldn't do that.